Hi, my name is Sergeant Damian Flowers. I work for the Aumsville Police Department. I've been here now for 12 years, and this Career Day event, the reason we come down here is we want the kids to know that we are approachable. We want them to come up and talk to us in any situation. We don't want them to be afraid of us. We come and visit the schools all the time, and that's our main goal here we want to be approachable.
Hi, I'm Dr. Katie Morrow.
Hi, I'm licensed tech Andrea Jinks.
The most important thing for people to know that when they go into the veterinary profession is it's not just about helping animals, it's about helping their people.
Hi, my name is Sean Aker. I'm the Regional Coordinator for Reducing Chronic Absenteeism working out of the Willamette ESD. So the number one thing that I hope kids can take from today is to understand that attendance is the number one indicator that predicts their future success and that they need to attend every day.
Hi, my name is Gretchen Bruner, and I work for the Willamette Promise at the Willamette ESD. We provide accelerated credits, so college credits while in high school, and events like today. And the number one thing that I want students to get out of today is knowing that there are a number of careers and all different kinds of pathways to get there. And everybody gets their own path, whether it be 4-year, 2-year degree, on-the-job training, apprenticeships, that there's a lot of options out there for their future.
Hi, I'm Jason Bernards. I'm a Deputy Sheriff with the Marion County Sheriff's Office, and today I'm doing a presentation for the K-9 unit. What I hope that the kids get out of today is that they have a bunch of options for career choices, and that if they work hard, they can accomplish anything.
Today I learned the 4 skills of police officers. It's decision making, good listening, patience, and driving.
To be a police, you have to be able to work with people that need help, and to be a veterinarian, you have to work with animals and stuff.
Today I learned about the challenge of being a teacher is when kids don't behave.
So today I learned that firefighters, they need to have bravery to go into that fire and come out with that person or help the fire go down with being able to do it and not being scared to run out. Today I learned at the career fair that there are different colleges that you can go to get different jobs.